Wow. Wow.
Spacious bedrooms with high quality carpets and mirrored built-in robes. Lovely awning windows. Master bedroom with attached big walk-in robe. Ensuite with semi-frameless shower screen, top quality tapware, beautiful tiles from floor to ceiling, designer toilets and combo lights.
I really want to get into the shower, Gary.
High-end kitchen with stainless steel quality appliances, numerous cupboards, wide gas cooktop, dishwasher, attractive double sink and water point behind the fridge.
Wow. I love the big kitchen with beautiful layout with the splashback here. Gorgeous pendant lights. It's a sun bench top.
And with slab ends.
Oh, wow. Ah, the cupboard soft closing, huh? It's a big family room. I already imagining my big TV here.
It's a fully insulated house with LED downlights throughout, ducted reverse cycle aircon, gas instantaneous hot water system, deadlock to the front quality timber door, and key locks to the windows for added security. Beautiful above standard laundry with overhead cupboards and quality bench top with the rear access to the garage. All the wet areas have quality basins, tapware and showers. Wooden floorings to the living areas, tiled alfresco for all your entertaining. Garage with automated panel lift door and internal access to the hallway. This beautiful house is fitted with Clipsal Iconic Series switches. There are so many great features about this home, but you feel it by yourself. It is a quick drive from the local shopping center, schools, childcare, and Adelaide CBD. The bus stop is just across the road with lovely views of the reservoir and the green trees.
Gary, I really want this beautiful house.
Sure, Celine, put in your offer and other buyers will also inspect at the open inspection and they will also get the same opportunity.